un lado ahí están.
Did you have a banana there?
There's some on top of the boat.
Give me one.
White-faced Captain Monkey.
I'm not going to feed him because there's one on the boat. I'm just going to show it to
We're
him.
not going to feed them.
No, pero lo voy a enseñar para que
We'll
se
not
monte.
feed them.
No, I said don't tease them.
I'll let them all come.
Yeah, be careful with your stuff because they
They
grab.
steal.
Yeah, they steal.
They can't live
Look at
in this bag.
Look at that. They saw it. Here he comes.
Si usted me sostuviera, yo lo sostengo. Let me get up. Go through here real quick. So I can get in front of the boat.
Venga.
Right there.
Oh my god.
Now watch when he grabs it.
Now look at his face. They're very alike, and they do a lot of expressions in their faces. Don't see he's doing this. That's aggressive. So when you smile, you can't smile in front of these guys because there's an aggression.
Aww.
Yeah, don't fool with
teasing
them.
you.
Yeah.
Give it to him.
Poor
No.
little monkey.
Oh, they're on top of the boat?
Yes.
Jesus.
What's the lump on
Hi,
his
little
neck?
one.
Give him the damn
They
banana.
really need to see. You look at their fingers, you look
Yeah.
at their eyes. They make
Want to go front?
expressions.
Go front with you. Both of you stand
Their
up there.
sounds. How they
No, no.
Go ahead, go
It's
ahead.
gonna attack my head.
They won't, they won't.
be active.
They might shit on you, but they won't do anything else.
That's worse.
They will eat whatever they can get in their hands.
He's like, screw it. Jeez. That guy's mad. Look at him. Jeez. It's ridiculous.
Oh, look.
No, well, my.
There's still some up there.
Watch, he's going to get airborne. Jeez.
Already on the rope yet?
No, they're all
gone.
they'll jump off.
Okay. What can you? Are you? Is there anything you can?
They're going crazy.
Dog food.
Dog food?
The best, that's the best thing you give them. If you're going to give them something. Like Aquarimanis around Lake Arenal. Dry dog food. It's the best for them.
Uh-oh. One's eyeballing
Are you
me.
gonna eat that banana in front of them? You mean?
Yeah.
He's so bad.
Look how freaking cute they are. Oh, he's.
If I can smell it, right?
Yeah.
Oh.